In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can check to see if your router is 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's two methods to do this. I'm going to go over the easier method first just to make your guys' life a little bit easier, but this is actually going to be through your Windows settings. So just hit on this little search bar down at the very bottom and type in settings just like so and open them up. From here, go ahead and find your network and internet section right here. Once you get to your network and internet section right here, right where mine says Ethernet connected, if you're on Wi-Fi, it's going to say Wi-Fi right here, show a little Wi-Fi signal, and it's going to tell you if it is 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz right here. It really is as simple as checking it just like that on your Windows device. However, if it's not popping up here for you, method 2 is a little bit more complicated, but essentially open up a web browser of your choice and go ahead and enter in your router's IP address, which is going to be found on the back of the router or in the router's manual. You're going to then have to sign in with your username and password, navigate specifically to the wireless or network settings section, and look for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz bands, and you'll be able to see which ones are enabled because they'll be checked off. If the bands are combined though, you can rename the SSID of the 5 gigahertz network to differentiate it. But if you're unsure, make sure you check your router's model online to check to see the supported bands. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. You now know how to identify your router's frequency band. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.